Alright, what you're going to do, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cover up your first 6x9 sheet of paper with magazine. And what you're going to do is basically just rip some of the words. Well, I'm going to use words, so I just want you to rip out words, specifically words on a white background. So this right here is a good example so you guys can see. So just tear, rip, glue it down to the paper, and that's what we're going to do for our first sheet. And all you got to do is just kind of rip out some nice words here, right quick. Get a little blue, excuse me, get some more, kind of off now. Get a little more Mod Podge, fill up my whole entire paper. Okay, the next thing we're going to do here is we're going to draw a bird. If your students are familiar, already know how to draw or have pretty good drawing skills, they can go ahead and draw a nice cool bird. And what they can do is use the handouts that I have in the downloadable area. And what they can do is just look at the bird right here, and they can just draw the bird. I have a big version and a smaller version here. And just to save time, they could just cut out the bird themselves and glue it down. But for the sake of this particular lesson, I want the kids to draw the bird and be more involved and be more personal by them drawing the bird. So what they're going to do is just have the bird, look at it, and draw it to the best of their ability. Let's see, do I want to place it over here? Bring it back. Okay, I like it right here. The pencil is kind of blending in with the words a little bit, so I'm going to add a little color to it. Alright, what I'm going to do is add some color to it, to my bird. I love red, so I think this will pop out pretty good. That should be it. What I'm going to do now, add some color. I'm just going to put some colors right here. It could be like something, berries or something. I just feel like it needs some color, so I'm just going to add some color here. And what I can do next is get a Sharpie and outline everything to make it pop even more, even the bird itself, my branches, and so forth.